See him in that window up there? He looked right at me and shot.
See my babies going?
They're getting it there. Oh.
Well, see the spool on your right?
Yep.
There's a bush to the left of it. Two of them behind there.
Okay. All right, I see him. I don't know if I got range to that. No, I'm falling way short. This guy in this little brown, or in the window up there, he's got my attention right now.
Where is he?
He's in the window. See him up there? The only way to get him is to push him. I'm in a really bad spot here. Hey, right flank, tree line. Stick your head out, Dane. Where the fuck is this shot's coming from?
We lost the 45 sidearm with an extended mag. You found your gun. You lost the gun on the no-band side.
Oh, head!
Be careful, there's a guy behind that TCA thing. TCA container. To the left.
What happened? There was a guy who was in the edge of the tree line moving south. Yeah. The one in the window's the one who got me anyway.
We need to push, guys. We can't all just fucking grip up like this.
You're right. I don't think that right side is cleared, isn't it?
Blue Kia, all the way back.
In the trees over there. I see him.
Yeah, he's in the fucking bush.
Is that above the spool?
Here, I'll keep towards it.
I don't see your BBs. I'm too old. My eyesight sucks.
Right here.
I see him. I see him.
There's one to the right of the school bus. Behind the hill.
Stay there. Stay there. You're covered from this side. He moved up to the wall. He's between you and me on that wall right there. Good shot. He's down.
I think I got him.
Good. Push. There's two in that tan thing right above us. The one guy to the right is down. This guy got him behind the garbage can. Anything?
I don't know.
We gotta check it.
You're on the right side of the crate.
Some smoke. Oh, we didn't get him. It's gotta be coming from that tan container, right? That guy's in the fucking window.
About to go in there.
I don't know if I can throw smoke out there.
Hit!
Fuck. Oh, hit! What do we see?
Yeah.
Any, nothing at all?
No, there's a guy to the left on the side.
Oh, I see him, yeah. I do see him. We're all bunched up here. Where's he at over here? Oh,
You want to grab a grenade? Grab it on the back pocket.
No murder holes. Watch where you're shooting from, please.
somebody get that fucker out of the middle. Hit! That truck is tough cover, tough cover. I know. It's tough. There's no place to keep your head down.